I bet you've wondered why popcorn pops while you're munching on it at the movies. Well, get ready for a mind-blowing 60-second science explanation. Let's break it down. A popcorn kernel is like a tiny pressure cooker. It's got a super hard outer shell called the pericarp, and inside, there's a bit of moisture and starch. Now here's the cool part. When you heat up the kernel, that little bit of moisture turns into steam. The steam builds up pressure inside, and at the same time, the starch softens. When the pressure hits about 135 psi and the temperature reaches 180 degrees Celsius, boom! The kernel explodes, turning inside out, and that soft starch puffs up into the fluffy white stuff we love to eat.